Commencement Regalia may be purchased in person at the CMU Bookstore located in the Bovey University Center, room 202, or online by clicking the link in the description. If you are a doctoral graduate, please note that there are specific deadlines for purchasing both custom and rental regalia. These deadlines and pickup information can also be found by visiting this link. If you have any questions about what you should be ordering, please contact the CMU Bookstore at 989-774-7493. As a bachelor's graduate, you will zip up the gown and ensure the length falls below the knee, around the middle of the shins. Next, place the cap on your head, ensuring the label marked front of cap is indeed at the front. The tassel should be on the right side. The color of the tassel is based on the undergraduate degree you are receiving. During the ceremony, you will be prompted to move your tassel from the right to the left after your degree has been conferred. Students eligible for honors cords and medallions will receive information from the registrar's office before commencement. Students wishing to wear cords or stoles from societies and programs must verify that their group is approved. You can check approved groups and guidelines by clicking the link on the screen. As a master's graduate prepares for the ceremony, you will zip up your gown, ensuring the length is below the knee, around the middle of the shins. Next, you will put on your hood, making sure the thinnest part is at the front facing forwards. The string hanging from the front of the hood should be wrapped around the button on the inside left side of the gown. You will need a friend to help with the button on the back of the hood. The friend should wrap the string around the button and ensure all colors of the hood are visible. Next, you will place the cap on your head, ensuring the label marked front of cap is indeed at the front. Finally, the tassel should be on the left side for the ceremony. As a doctoral graduate prepares for the ceremony, you will zip up your gown, ensuring the length is below the knee, around the middle of the shins. Next, you will place the cap on your head, ensuring the label marked front of cap is indeed at the front. Doctoral graduates will have the hood placed on them during the ceremony, so please remember to bring it with you. Before processing into the ceremony, candidates should fold their hood neatly over their left arm with the velvet edge facing the front. Step 1. Hold the hood with both hands, velvet edge to the front. Step 2. Fold the hood in half. Step 3. Drape the folded hood over your left arm, narrow end in the front, velvet edging to the front. As you rise to go to the stage, drape the hood over your left arm and have your name card ready in your right hand. A staff member on stage will take your name card and hand it to the reader. You will then move forward to your faculty member for the hooding process. After the hooding process is completed, you will exit the stage and return to your seat.